Good morning, student of class 6th. Today we will study chapter number 4 of English literature. Chapter name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and he is known as the Iron Man of India. Everyone we understand that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. So there is an activity here given. So match the following nicknames to their picture. You have to match it. First, you have to understand who they are. Left side, first figure is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Just next, Dada Bhai Nehru ji. Third, Sarojini Naidu. And right side, first figure is Chanak. Second, Bhagat Singh. Third, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And in between, six figure are six nicknames given to you. Here check. Nightingale of India first. Second, Shaheed-e-Azam. Third, Lokman. Fourth, Grand Old Man of India. Fifth, Machiavelli of India. Sixth, Man of Peace. So here you have to match it. Try to understand what will be. Okay, it's very easy. First, you have to understand Nightingale of India. Who is known as Nightingale of India? Okay, who is known as? Anyone? Any guess? Sarojini Naidu. Okay, Sarojini Naidu. And next, Shaheed-e-Azam. Who is known as Shaheed-e-Azam? Okay, match it. Okay, Shaheed-e-Azam means Bhagat Singh. And third, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lokman Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Grand Old Man of India, it's Dada Bhai Nehru ji. And next is fifth one, Machiavelli of India, who is only Chanak. And sixth one, what is left? You have to match it. Man of Peace, who was? Lal Bahadur Shastri. So in this chapter we will study about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So next page there are some description related to it. So first we have to understand. Okay, here. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a political and social leader of India who played a major role in the country's struggle for independence and subsequently guided its integration into a united independent nation. He was instrumental in pursuing more than 500 princely states to merge with India after the British left the country. For his unwavering commitment to the national integration and strong resolve to work for the unity of the country, he is called the Iron Man of India. Let us learn more about this remarkable man in the following lesson. So, read and enjoy. So, description of whom? Of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a political leader, social leader of India. It is political and social leader of our country, and who has given outstanding contribution. Contribution for which thing? For getting independence. For getting independence, he has played a major role and guided, not only given contribution but guided our country also. For which thing? For integration, for brotherhood feeling, for strength of the people. Then after they will be united and a free independent country India. And he was instrumental in pursuing more than 500 princely states to merge with India after the British left. And he has given a lot of contribution to unite people, 500, etc. And his commitment for the national integration and strong resolve to work for the country, he has done outstanding. And this is the reason each of us are called him what? The Iron Man of India. Iron Man means iron means, you understand, Iron Man of India. For which thing? for his boldness, for his courage. So let us learn more about him, about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by this chapter. Okay, so let us start. Popularly known as the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the founding fathers of the Republic of India, and he played an exemplary role in the getting India independent from the British rule. However, his role in the struggle of India independence did not end just with that. He was the man who guided the country to become a united, independent nation. So, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is known as the Iron Man of India, and he was one of the founding fathers because he has given outstanding contribution for getting independence, India's independence, and he played a ideal role for getting independence from which, from whose, from the British rule. And his role in the struggle for India did not end, but his role not finished yet. After getting independence, he was going to unite the people. Okay, he has guided them, unite the people as a independent nation. Second para, born to a Gujarati family in Karmsad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the fourth of the six children of his father, Jhaveri Bhai, and he had three elder brothers and a younger brother and a sister. So, actually, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in Gujarati family and Karamsad, and he was the fourth of six children. He was the fourth of his father, Jhaveri Bhai, and he had three elder brother. Three elder, it means fourth means three elder brother and a younger brother and sister. It's complete family of his. And from very young age, Vallabhbhai displayed remarkable mental toughness and physical strength. Once he had a boil in his armpit, and during those days in his village, the people usually went to a man who used to heat an iron rod and put it on the boil to treat it. And when young Patel went to him, he was reluctant to treat him. But Patel did not wait for the man and himself placed the hot iron rod on his boil. And starting from the childhood age, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel displayed means showed outstanding mental toughness. He was mentally tough, and he has showed also mental toughness and physical strength. Okay, up to here I have explained today. Rest we will study tomorrow. Okay, thanks.